My name is Catherine Patron, and the name of my presentation is Carmine and the Cochineal. The color of kings and emperors, a color so coveted that men lost their lives over it, pirates ransacked ships for it, scientists researched its mysteries, and artists from Rembrandt to Van Dyck searched for the perfect reds. What made this color so sought after and priceless? Red demands attention. We are drawn to its passion and fire. Red is life in the color of blood. Dactylopyes caucus, the cochineal. A couple of thousand years ago, during the 15th century, the Mesoamericans found that pinching a tiny insect on the prickly pear cactus emitted a bright red stain on their hands. This discovery gave way to breeders in Mexico's southern highlands cultivating the cochineals. The females are cultivated for their color quality over generations. The results are a dazzling array of reds from the softest pinks and sparkling scarlets to the deepest burgundy and purple. The cochineals are easily separated by male and female. The male has wings, the female's wingless. The female is approximately 5 millimeters long, and she's about double the size of the male. Harvesting the cochineal. Harvesting is done for the cochineal is done on farms called nopalries. There are two methods of farming. There's traditional and controlled. These pictures up here depict traditional methods, and this is controlled. In the traditional method, infected plants are planted, and the cochineals they mate on the cactus leaf, and there the tiny nymphs are born, and during that time, excuse me, during the crawler stage, they transport themselves to a new cochineal, to a new cactus pad, where their mouths are like beaks, and they suck the nectar and nutrients out of the cactus leaf. During this time, they coat themselves in a white waxy filament, and they appear to be white or gray, when in fact they are a purple-red color. This protects them from water loss and from the sun. The next stage, they move to the outer rims of the coconut, to the cactus leaves, and the wind comes and carries them away with the filaments, and they move on to a new host. Here they're gathering all in here. Now the males will stay and feed until sexual maturity, after which they mate and then they die. The females will stay there until they are either in danger from a predator, give birth, or are taken and restart the whole birthing cycle over again, or they are taken up. Here they use a thick brush or wire brush where they are scooped off of there, and the next process, part of the process, will be steam, oven, or boiling until they're dry. This here is a controlled method where the clean, fertile females are put into these little baskets called Zapotec nests, and the males are brought in to fertilize them, and that's the deal there. Here it shows the nymphs of the bodies. Here they are being crushed. That's the color right off of them. They're composed of 19 to 22% of carminic acid. Next, they are pulverized and mixed with aluminum or calcium salts, which makes the carmine. And there's the different shades that you can get, a whole array of shades that come out of the bugs. It takes 70,000 bugs to make 1 pound of carmine. These are the foods that you can find your cochineal in. Thank you.